Hi everyone, in front of me I've got the DOOGEE V40 Pro and let me share with you how to block a number on this device. So let's start with opening the dialer and find the contact which you'd like to block and then tap on it. I'll pick this one. Then let's scroll down and find block numbers, which should be in this contact settings. If you cannot find it, no worries. Just tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner, because sometimes if you've got the older version of this app and the block number will appear somewhere here. So no worries, for sure you've got one. Just the place is different. Alright, so let's tap on block numbers. Your device will inform you that you will no longer receive any incoming calls or text messages from this number. So just tap on block, and as you can see, your device will immediately block the number. We've got this characteristic icon. Of course, you can unblock it the same way right here, but let me leave it like this. We will check whether it will appear on the blacklist. So to open the blacklist, we have to open the settings. So it doesn't matter on which section here you will be. You can be on the contacts and tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner. Then let's tap on the settings, and here in general we've got blocked numbers. So let's tap. So here we've got our blacklist, and that's the number we blocked from our contacts, which means that the previous option worked. Here we can also tap on add a number and enter it manually. So as you can see, you do not really have to have it saved on your contacts, and tap on block and it will be immediately applied to the blacklist. Here at the top you've got also the option unknown, and you can turn it on just by tapping on the switcher, and you can block the calls from all unidentified callers. You can turn it off the same way. And if you wish to unblock the number, simply tap on this X button right next to it and tap on unblock. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.